The next step over here is going to be our sub bass. We have a square wave for this particular sub bass that sounds like this. Let's look into the plugins that I'm using on this channel over here. We have saturation from Fat Filter Saturn. We have a stereo plugin from Waves, EQ from Logic, and we have sidechain from Nicky Romero. I'm gonna mute them all, and we have this. So first of all, I put this EQ over here because I don't need any of those frequencies, because that's where the top bass is gonna work, which I'm gonna explain a little later. So we have that. We have our sidechain. This is very important when you work together with the bass and the kick drum, to use the right sidechain preset to make sure that your kick drum does not interfere with your bass. That's the most essential thing into a track. Otherwise, it will destroy the entire production. So this is one of the most essential parts in the kick and bass category. Next step, I'm going to use this plugin, which I use on all my sub basses. And the reason why I use this one is to make sure that my bass is in mono. My top bass, which is this next group I'm going to explain a little later, is going to be a little bit more stereo to create a bigger feel and to make sure that the bass is filling up the whole space. But the sub bass is going to be mono. That's why I'm using this plugin from Waves. As you can see, I'm placing it right in the middle. And I'm using this plugin from Fat Filter, but just as an automation. As you can see over here, I'm taking out the highs and the lows to create certain transitions here and there. So you can see towards the end of this bar, I'm automating that. So let's play kick and sub bass together.